This is my DeWalt pressure washer, 3000 psi, and it doesn't have any pressure besides the pressure from my water system, which is good for nothing but plants watering or something like that. So I think I know what's the problem. The problem is the pump and the valves inside the pump, which got busted because I didn't winterize the pump over the winter and I left it in the garage. So I have to order new valves and get the pump off, check the valves, replace the valves, whatever is bad in there, probably change oil, put it back together, and hopefully it's gonna work. Alright, let's do it. Okay, here's my pressure washer pump. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna check for the valves, I'm gonna change the oil in it and see if it's gonna work. So first things first, I'm gonna drain the oil. Got two ways of doing it. So let's see. So I get 5 of these hacks, nuts, so I mean bolts. Yeah, it's a 5mm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and actually 6. But for the 6, I gotta take this relief valve off, or whatever this thing is. I think it's a relief valve or some kind of pressure sensor. One thing I should have done perhaps prior to this is remove these boys here. These are 10mm. Let's see, maybe I should just take this off first. I don't really like the way this looks. Okay, this is strange. I don't see any broken valves. Actually, yes, I do. All right. I don't know if you can, probably not, if you can see in there. That's the valve. By the way, these are the valves I'll be replacing. So yeah, I see the broken ones. So let's clean this up. Okay, let's try. Okay. This is one of the valves. And this one seems to be perfectly fine. So let's check the other ones. This one also looks good. Same thing here. So these three from this end, they look good. But I'm not sure if you can tell. I can already see the bits and pieces in this housing here. The middle one and this one are damaged, so I have to figure out how to take them out. I have a feeling it's gonna be a real pain in the neck because it's kind of too deep. I'm not sure if I can push them out this way. Let me get something sharper. And this is not gonna work the way I expected, so I have to improvise. Since I can't reach with anything, excuse me, there is a hole on top of them, so I'm just gonna try to get the screw going at just a bit so I can pull it out. Here we go. Here we go. This guy. It's not broken, but it doesn't really look happy at all. Okay. Let me try pulling these off. I don't want to scratch anything. Okay. Also, it's very important to orient these seals in the proper direction. So if you put them the other way around, they wouldn't be sealing, basically. See the state of this guy, I don't know if you can tell. It's all in bits and pieces. Yeah, the chunks are falling out. It doesn't even want to come out. It's in a pretty rough shape. Well, I just broke the tip off. It's busted completely. Okay. Let's try the last one. This is gonna be a little problem for me. How to get those. See, this thing fell apart, but these parts are left inside. So I have to get these metal bits out as well, but they seem to be stuck in there. And it's not gonna be easy to take them out. So I think my best bet is to find a screw big enough to grab it so I can pull it out. Seemed that this guy is almost catching it, but not quite. I think this guy might do it. Okay. Okay, I'll have to figure this out somehow and I'll be back. So this is my desperate attempt. I got the tap, so I'm just tapping it in, trying to pull it out now. Okay, try to pull this one out. Just hope I don't break my tap. It's the only set I have. Nope. Seriously. I might try a bigger tap. Next. The whole thing is spinning in there, but of course it doesn't want to come out. It's not gonna come out. Yeah, got it. Well, the tap system worked. Alright, so let's see. all of the valves are out. Just gonna check these rubber seals. They seem to be fine. I just blew it with compressed air. So it's time to put the new valves in there. Come on. So I got the new valves, new seals. I'm gonna get grease just to grease these up a little bit. So I don't know, but I heard they go in easier. Alright, just want to make sure when I push these in, they go even. Alright. The one to the left seems that it didn't go really as deep as I wanted to go, so I have to push it in a little. Alright, now it's properly seated. In the oil. So again, these rubber seals, the part with the ridge, the side with the ridge goes in. Then the washer goes next, and then the cap. All right. I think I'm gonna clean these a little more. Let me get the brake cleaner. Guess what? No more brake cleaner. So I'm gonna use WD-40. Alright, so one side is in there. So I got these three to do now. Just gonna lube them up. Okay. So these old ones, just gonna save just in case. I mean save. And the 3 out of 6 of the valves I'm also gonna save, because they're not in a bad shape. In case of emergency, I need to do quick fix. Probably I might be happy to have these on the hand, you know, while waiting for the new parts to arrive. So I would say don't go too crazy on these. This is all brass, and just I don't know what torque should be on these caps, but just gonna go by the feel. Make them snug, but not excessively. Okay, should be fine. That's that. That's that. So I'm gonna assemble the pump again, and just gonna throw some WD-40 on these. And there you go. Come on, that's it. All right, that's it. That's that. So now gotta put this one back in. I'm gonna go get some Teflon tape. So the pump is ready to assemble. Alright, it's time to put the pump back together. Take these bolts out. Right. I'm gonna put some anti-seize in. I have to reposition the key, so I think that's the position. Okay. You have to follow manufacturer specs for torque on these. I just know mine by heart, and that's what it is. Okay, that's it. I have to get the oil. This pump calls for 15 W40 oil in it, and I need what, 6.5 ounces. So let me get the oil. I'll be right back. So it's a 6.5 ounces of 15 W40 oil. If you don't have a cup or something with the measurement, you can always go with the eyeglass here, but make sure the machine is on a flat, even surface. Okay, so this is it. Alright, so now I'm gonna reattach the hose. If you remember from earlier, this part was inside of here, so I don't wanna forget that part. Okay, I think that's it. Just gonna fire it up and see if I get any pressure back. I had practically zero pressure with those busted valves. So basically this was the pressure with the pump on.